I am going to make the curry of potato, brinjal and also the chili dal, dry beans, which will be very tasty. This can be made as khurma and taken with the rice and it will be over. Then I will add it in the curry. I have made paste of, I have made the paste of onion, green chilies. I have made the paste of onion, green chilies and tomato. I call it as nanis masala. See, big onion, 1.5 sliced, and one big apple tomato sliced, and 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, red chili powder, and half a spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of garam masala, or 3/4 if you want you can add, and then quarter spoon of teaspoon of cumin powder, and then this is kasuri methi which you can add after frying the masalas. And these are the things I am going to add masalas. And now I have cooked this dal, beans dal of this consistency. When I am frying the masala, I will add it, then it will be completely cooked. I have cut the brinjal and potatoes into pieces to make the gravy. Adding a piece of cinnamon, 2-3 cloves, and 2 cardamom. Added 1 tablespoon of oil. You can add less also if you want, or more. When it is fried, I am adding onion. Adding tomato. Let it mix with the onion. Adding salt to make it quick. And ginger garlic paste and nanis masala. Fry it well till the raw smell goes. Now the water is reduced and the masala smell has gone. I am adding the vegetables. Peel the potato because the taste kasuri methi and then add. You can add more if you want. For me this is enough. Adding all the masalas. Mix it well. Coriander will give the raw flavor, so fry it well till the smell goes. Now add this beans. Preparation, we can add the mutton also with that, or we can add the prawns also with that, but not the dry fish or fish. And if you don't have anything like that, you can add the eggs in the end, or without eggs bhi chalta hai. Without that also we can make it. Now fry it well. Add sufficient water to make it cook. Now you can see the taste. If anything is less, you can add now. For me, I think that the salt will be less. If you want more chilies or garam masala, you can add it now. Let it cook for, say it will take some 7 to 10 minutes. Now let us see. 7 minutes over. In between, I just mixed it one. Now let me see whether the potato is cooked. Potato is cooked. Is cooked. So I have to add the coconut and coriander leaf. Adding coconut. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 tablespoon. You can add more, but for me it is enough. See, the color has changed. Now let it cook for 1 minute. Grandmother used to say, add little ghee. This will give taste. Enough. Now wipe it like this all around so that the oil and the masala spread very well, and let it cook for 1 minute at low flame, 1 or 2 minutes, and then we put off the flame. Close it like this. My grandchildren like this curry with egg. So add it like this. If you are adding the egg, you have to increase the simmer time by 2 more minutes. Now, after adding the egg, it looks yummy. Without adding, you can use, that will also be very tasty. Those who don't like egg, they can take before this. I am going to serve it now. Rice and very healthy also and easy to digest.